The board call is made by Red 9 as Red 8 and 9 roll around the rest of the formation. Red 8 smoking red and Red 9 smoking blue. Watch for the colour change as Red 1 brings them down the line. As we come to the end of the first half, you'll now see a manoeuvre not brought in for nearly 20 years to start the second half. This is the 5-4 split. In the second half, you'll see the more dynamic, high-speed, heart-pumping, jaw-dropping manoeuvres, where we split into two distinct sections. Going off to the right. In his third and final year, former Tornado GR4 and Red 1 rolls the formation to the right. Get your cameras ready for the Vixen vertical break. In the sky, leaving a colourful snake-like smoke trail in the sky, trailing our famous red, white and blue. Those colours and that smoke is capable due to the smoke pan on the bottom of the aeroplane. That holds approximately 5 minutes of white smoke, 1 minute of blue smoke and 1 minute of red smoke, and is selectable